Increff's dynamic pricing module intelligently recommends adjustments to existing product prices and discount rates to boost your revenue and margins. To capture the true potential of your products, dynamic pricing operates on true rate of sale or true ROS. True ROS is different from traditional rate of sale as it corrects for factors like unavailability or brokenness of a style. Other factors considered are age of the style, its cover in days, and faster or slower selling rates. By cleaning and optimizing your daily sales data and calculating true ROS, the tool is able to generate more sensible price change suggestions. Once the details of your products, styles, stores, and warehouses are uploaded, you can start feeding in your daily sales data to the system, based on which markup or markdown recommendations will be generated. The sales data input incorporates your daily, store, and SKU level sales, their revenue, and applied discounts. You can also upload the end date stock data representing the daily, store, and SKU level opening stock, as well as your warehouse-wise inventory distribution. To entirely eliminate manual intervention, the module can also be integrated with any ERP or POS system, as well as with Increff's Assure WMS platform. Next up, you can specify custom groups which dictate how to correctly perform sales comparisons. You can group all the stores for which similar discounts should be suggested. This makes it convenient to have different prices and discounts for the same style across various points of sale. As an example, you could have separate groups for your online and offline stores such that the optimal pricing is suggested for both the cases. Grouping can also be performed at a product's category and attribute level. Doing this ensures that accurate sales comparison is performed within a group, say t-shirts compared with other t-shirts, or going one step further, the comparison could be done at an attribute level. For example, within shirts, you can compare half sleeve and full sleeve shirts separately. To accommodate diverse pricing strategies and discounting limits of businesses, the tool offers flexible ways to set up discounting guardrails. With this guardrail input, you can also configure your starting discounts, increment factors, and ROS cutoffs, which ensures that discounts are offered only after a style's ROS has fallen below the benchmark. Next up, using the discounting engine logic input, you can define a customized set of rules for your brand based on which price change suggestions will be generated. Using this decision matrix with factors like ROS, lifecycle, and health of products, you can describe the decision that the tool should take for each possible combination of factors. This also enables flexible capping of product prices and discounts by accommodating sales performance into the decision-making process. As an example, in this case, if the rate of sale is low, its cover is high against its planned life cycle, and the product is also in broken sizes, you would want to increase the discounts on it. Moving on to the configure screen, you can define how frequently you want to receive markup and markdown suggestions, and also whether the recommendation should be made at an SKU level or at a style level. More importantly, you can specify your ROS benchmarks. Dynamic discounting accounts for the price elasticity of products and prevents excessive discounts in case the true ROS does not improve by at least a threshold factor as defined by this input. The final step left now is to run the algorithm. The output reports can be manually generated for any specified date, or alternatively, the output generation process can be automated to occur periodically. All the outputs are generated in the form of intuitive business intelligence reports, from which you can see the store and style group level summary of discounts that should be continued, increased, or decreased, as well as the decision matrix used to generate the final recommendation. You can download a detailed output report for a style level breakdown of recommended price change directions and their suggested values. With these steps, you can utilize dynamic discounting to improve sales and margins by automating pricing and discounting decisions on different points of sale and making it more granular, accurate, and scientific. Visit increff.com/dynamic pricing to learn more.